Italian bind off with the left hand is like sealing the edge of your fabric with invisible silk thread. Done well, it melts into one by one ribbing and keeps that soft stretchy neckline energy. We'll do the classic sewn version using a tapestry needle. Setup, very important. 1. Cut yarn about 3 to 4 times the width of your bind off edge. 2. Thread a tapestry needle. 3. Arrange stitches so they are in K1, P1 rib order. 4. Hold the needle in your left hand, since you knit left-handed. Think of it as a repeating 4-move choreography. The 4-step repeat. Let's say your first 2 stitches are: first stitch, knit. Second stitch, purl. We'll call them K and P. Step 1. Insert tapestry needle purlwise into the first stitch, K, and pull yarn through. Leave the stitch on the needle. You are visiting it politely, not removing it yet. Step 2. Insert tapestry needle knitwise into the second stitch, P, and pull yarn through. Leave it on the needle. Now both stitches have been prepared. Step 3. Insert tapestry needle knitwise into the first stitch, K, again. Pull yarn through and drop that stitch off the knitting needle. That stitch is officially sealed. Step 4. Insert tapestry needle purlwise into the next stitch, which is a knit stitch. Pull yarn through and leave it on the needle. Now repeat from step 2. Rhythm after first setup. After the first 4 moves, you'll repeat this cycle. 1. Knitwise into first stitch, drop it. 2. Purlwise into next stitch, leave it. 3. Knitwise into next stitch, leave it. 4. Purlwise into first stitch, drop it. But here's the simpler mental trick. For knit stitches, if first time purlwise, stay. Second time knitwise, drop. For purl stitches, first time knitwise, stay. Second time purlwise, drop. Each stitch gets 2 visits before it leaves the stage. Tension tip. Do not yank the yarn tight. Let it relax into the width of the rib. After 4 to 6 stitches, gently stretch the edge horizontally. If it gathers, loosen slightly. Italian bind off should look like: no ridge, no tight chain, just ribbing continuing into infinity. For mirror/left-hand knitters, the directions above still apply exactly the same. You are not reversing needle directions. You are only holding the tapestry needle in your left hand instead of right. The orientation of knitwise and purlwise entry does not change.